On today's Tech Time Tuesday, we're going to be talking yet again about tires.
Tech Time Tuesday.
So let's take a look here on the back of this P30 coach. So what is wrong with this picture? At first glance, you might think, well, nothing. You may also say, well, it's missing the wheel cover. No, it's not that we're talking about. You'll notice how this sidewall is somewhat bulged out. It's pretty clear from just looking at this tire is carrying quite a bit of weight. If you look at the inner dual, you'll see that it is actually completely flat and separated from the bead. So this tire is not holding any weight on the inside there. And we're not really sure how far it was driven that way. But if we go over to the other side, you can now kind of see the comparison visually. So this is more what we'd expect to see. Now, granted, you've got the wheel cover on this side, but you don't have that same kind of bulge in the sidewall of that tire. So just an example of some simple visual cues you can use just to see if there's anything wrong. If you're driving a motorhome that's got dual rear wheels, we always recommend especially that you take a look at those inner duals, because those are the ones that we most often see flat because they're out of sight, out of mind. You'll notice that there is a TPMS sensor installed. He does have those on his wheels, but the indicator is not currently set up. So also just a reminder that if you do have TPMS, make sure that you're using it, make sure that it's working properly. Otherwise, it's not really doing you much good. So at this point, we're most likely going to recommend that both of the tires on that side be replaced. Their date code is only a 2023 code, but we do see pretty good gash also in the sidewall of this tire. We're not really sure how deep that goes, but that's concerning. Also the fact that that inner dual has been ran flat for we don't know how long. We don't know what kind of damage was done to it. So the safest thing really would be to replace both of these tires just to be safe. And then going forward to make sure that you're really monitoring the pressure on those, making sure that we're not going to have the same thing happen again. So just a reminder, please check your tires, especially those inner duals. So remember to like and subscribe if you want to keep in the loop on helpful tips and information like this. And until next time, we want to wish you safer and happier driving. Thank you.
Tech Time Tuesday.